And Assalamu alaikum. Pakistan stands as a defining moment. As the world's fifth most populous country with over 241 million people, our demographic trends are shaping every aspect of our future. Our annual population growth rate of 2.55%, the highest in South Asia, adds well over 5 million people each year. Sindh, as one of Pakistan's most dynamic provinces, feels this pressure keenly. Our growing population is a national strength, but it brings profound challenges. Today, around 40% of our children under 5 are stunted, and an estimated 22 to 26 million children aged 5 to 16 remain out of school. At the same time, our country is among the world's most water stressed, threatening our agriculture, cities, and long-term sustainability. These realities demand urgent and coordinated action. The government of Sindh recognizes that achieving population balance is central to our social and economic progress. Our strategy is comprehensive and forward-looking. First, we are focused on expanding economic opportunity. A growing population requires a growing economy. Sindh is working to create a job-rich environment by supporting industry, agriculture, services, and new technology sectors. Through skill development and investment facilitation, we aim to assure that Sindh plays its full role in meeting Pakistan's future employment needs. Second, education and health are at the heart of our population policy. We will prioritize universal access to quality schooling and accelerate enrollment while strengthening maternal and child health, especially nutrition, to reduce malnutrition and stunting. Integrating family planning and reproductive health information will empower families with informed, dignified choices. Third, environmental sustainability is essential for a stable population. Water scarcity is a challenge that Sindh cannot ignore. We are investing in modern irrigation, water conservation, and protection of the Indus River ecosystem to secure our natural resources for future generations. Fourth, we will work closely with communities. Population balance requires social awareness, local participation, and partnerships with civil society, healthcare workers, and religious leaders. Our approach respects cultural values while embracing scientific evidence. Finally, we commit to data-driven governance. Sindh will adopt a modern monitoring, ensure transparency, and adopt policies as demographic realities evolve. Population balance is not merely a policy ambition. It is essentially for a prosperous, healthy, and sustainable Sindh. Together, we can transform demographic pressures into engines of opportunity and ensure a future where every child is nourished, every family is empowered, and every citizen has a chance to thrive. Thank you.